Should I buy or sell Enphase? The report for Enphase was first published on our website Thursday, January 19, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since January 12, 2023, our system ranks Enphase as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -7.259. In this period the stock has had a loss of -7.76%. This is an average return of -1.55% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Enphase, our last headline reads, "Red day on Thursday for Enphase stock after losing 0%. No changes to the price of Enphase stock on the last trading day, Thursday, January 19, 2023. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 0% from a day low at $250.31 to a day high of $250.31. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days but is still down by -0.53% for this period. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $339.92, and the lowest price was $113.40. Right now the price is 34.41%, or $116.95, below 52-week high at $339.92, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -11.18% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -18.52% and 25.8%. The 12-month trend indicates a 100.57% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between 100.57% and 222.28%. This equals a price between $447.21 and $718.59 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Tuesday, January 17, 2023, Deutsche Bank set price target to 285. On Friday, January 6, 2023, Wells Fargo set price target to 326. On Friday, December 23, 2022, Daiwa Capital set price target to 335. On Thursday, December 22, 2022, Piper Sandler set price target to 350. On Monday, December 19, 2022, Northland Capital Markets set price target to 365. From analysts, Enphase stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Enphase. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Enphase stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $285.06. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $243.97. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 17, 2023, and so far it has fallen -0.255%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell on the last day without any changes to the price. This does not cause any direct divergence but may be an early warning and a possible turning point. The very low volume increases the risk and reduces the other technical signals issued. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 32 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 13 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Enphase. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements and therefore the general risk is considered very low. However, be aware of low or falling volume and make sure to keep an eye on the stock. During the last day, the stock moved $0 between high and low, or 0%. For the last week the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.95%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Enphase. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Enphase currently has a price-earning ratio of 115.41. This is an extremely high price-to-earnings ratio and could mean that a company's stock is overvalued. These kind of price-to-earnings ratios are typical for tech companies or companies that have extreme market potential. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released February 14, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are 93 cents. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Enphase meets first resistance at $233.65. If you do not hold Enphase shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Enphase is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Kot Handram Badranarayanan, whom have bought and sold 36,327 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -32.962. In total, the insiders bought 348,000 and sold 713,618 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Enphase stock a buy? Enphase holds several negative signals and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 20th, we expect Enphase to open up $8.74 and start trading at $231.71. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to